G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make a cheesecake in a mug. This is so easy and it's so tasty, so let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Get a small bowl, put in about 75 to 100 grams of cream cheese. Just leave it out at room temperature to soften. That makes life a lot easier. Then add a couple of tablespoons of sour cream. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a teaspoon of lemon juice. Add 1 egg and add between 4 and 6 tablespoons of sugar. Now just mix this together. Use whatever you wish. Get a microwave safe mug. I'm using a clear one just because I want to. Pour the mixture in. Now pop this in the microwave on high for about 90 seconds. You can every 30 seconds just stop the microwave and just give it a stir, but you don't need to if you've incorporated the ingredients really well. Voila! Awesome. Now just pop this in the fridge to let it completely cool, and then you can either eat as is or you can just top with some whipped cream or cookies, whatever. Alrighty. All we need to do is eat or just add a little cream. Oh, yum. Now crush up some cookies, graham crackers. I've crushed up some Nice biscuits. Sprinkle it straight over the top. And just for fun, stick in a little wafer cookie. Serve up. This is so yummy. Oh. Well, I hope you like this. So good. Oh, that is delectable. I can feel all the sugar surging through my veins as we speak. I'll see you next time for my next meal.